Hello everyone, and today we're here to talk about the education of the future. Distance learning, learning at home, learning in the library, not learning in the confines of the normal educational setting. Online learning, interacting with technology, using computers, your phones, applications, software, hardware. Distancing creates positive learning experiences, and by using educational technology, we can move past the traditional paper-focused setting of the history. We can use technology to improve interactions, just like we did with the floppy disk, and including technology to enhance the experience using STEM applications, tagging smartphones with computers. Also, when planning, it's good to invest in student choice, know their interests, choose educational tech wisely. Try this model. Substitute technology for regular paper assignments. Augment, modify, and redefine assignments with educational technology. Or this one, hack, highly structured, allow choices, consistent application of your educational technology, and stay knowledge-centered, higher order thinking. Use new media in your classroom. Don't be scared to use 3D printers. Surveys on student devices and laptops. Thank you for joining.